Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Monday.com items. Monday.com is a work operating system that helps teams manage their work and projects in a flexible and customizable way. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating and using items in Monday.com. First, let's define what an item is in Monday.com. An item is a single row in a board, which represents a task, project, or any other work unit. To create an item, go to your board and click on the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a new item window where you can enter the item name, description, and other relevant details. Once you have created an item, you can add various columns to it to track different types of information. For example, you can add a text column to track notes, a date column to track deadlines, or a numeric column to track progress. You can also add tags, attachments, and dependencies to an item to provide more context and clarity. To edit an item, simply click on it and make the necessary changes. You can also use the item menu to perform various actions such as duplicating, deleting, or moving the item. The item menu can be accessed by clicking on the three dots at the right end of the item. One of the key concepts in Monday.com is the use of pulses. A pulse is a way to track the status of an item over time. You can create a pulse by adding a status column to an item and then tracking the changes to that status over time. This allows you to see the history of an item and understand how it has evolved. To get the most out of Monday.com items, it's essential to establish a clear workflow and set clear expectations with your team. This includes defining what each item represents, how it should be used, and what columns and fields are required. It's also crucial to keep your items up to date and ensure that they are accurate and relevant. In terms of best practices, it's recommended to keep your items concise and focused on a single task or project. You should also use clear and descriptive names for your items and columns to avoid confusion. Additionally, consider using automation and integration to streamline your workflow and reduce manual effort. In conclusion, Monday.com items are a powerful tool for managing work and projects. By following these steps and best practices, you can create and use items effectively to drive productivity and success. Remember to keep your items organized, up to date, and relevant, and don't hesitate to explore the many features and customization options available in Monday.com.